Hi there, Kevin. Further to talking yesterday, just a quick walk round tour of this Mercedes fridge, and as you can see, it's in outstanding condition. It's got parking sensors on the front and it's got parking sensors on the rear, so nice and easy to drive, hence how straight the bumpers are. I'll just open up here, and this is where it truly reflects its low miles and condition. That interior is absolutely outstanding. And now for the important bit. There's your fridge. So you access from the near side. Very clean condition again. And then access from the rear doors, and it has got towing equipment on should you need to use that. As you'd expect for a vehicle that's been changed from centre parked green to white, the bodywork's really clean condition. And then when we hop inside, again, nice, tidy, clean, well presented vehicle. If there's any more questions you have on this, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks for watching, Kevin.